I always wanted to be an artist, and I also loved biology. So after I finished high school, I decided to try to study both. But biology came first because of my parents, and I think it is very Jewish. They thought that it will be better for me to be high educated in something more scientific or something. Serious, not because art is not so serious, you know. So I think this is very Jewish, and I've written about it in my kind of book that I think it is very Jewish.